Hello everybody, it's Niklas and welcome to this new video on Pencil 2D. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create selection because you have difference between bitmap layer and vector layer. If you like my videos, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, many contents about different type of graphic software, but not only animation, many type of things, photo editing, graphic documents, layout document, many type of graphic design software, 3D modeling also. If you want to learn more about Pencil 2D, you can find everything that you need in the first link on the description. This is a complete course. If you want to start well in animation with this software, you can see a glance to the course. Let's start to the selection. So the first thing that I'm going to do is to show you before on the bitmap layer. On the bitmap layer, I'm going to use one of these tools. Let's use the brush tool. Let's select the option and a wide, and I can just go left click and create a shape just like this. The fact is, if you want to create a selection, you can find the move tool. By default, you would like to choose this tool to click here, and as you can see, nothing happened. Why nothing happened? Because you need to create a frame of selection first. And for this, I can use the selection tool. I can just go left click, create a frame of selection, just like this. And after to create your frame of selection, you can make some adjustment. You can use your move tool and you can just go left click and drag and move now your selection. So this is why it is useful. You can also go and edit. You have select all, and all the content that you have on your layer can be selected, and then you can use the move tool and drag and move just like this. Don't forget also that you can create a cut. I'm going to show you. Let's create another shape on this area, and I'm going to fill with a color. Let's activate red and fill inside. If I use my selection tool, create a frame just like this, and then I can move this area. I can create like a cut on this area like this. If I use also this tool, selection tool, create a frame like that, and use my move tool, take a glance, I can also create a cut. So this is the things that you can do in bitmap layer. Now let's work in vector. Remove the bitmap layer, just like this, and let's work in vector layer. Let's do the same thing. I can use the brush tool, just create a shape, like that. And it's totally different because if you use your move tool directly, you just need to go one left click and you can select your shape just like this, and you can drag and move. So it means you don't need to create a frame of selection with a selection tool. You can, but it's not useful. You just create a frame of selection, everything is selected, and you can just drag and move with your move tool. But as you can see, it's not useful to do this. After, when you have your move tool, you can just go left click and you can resize, you can make some transformation, everything that you need. So this is really the big difference. I can use my polyline tool also, go select a wide first, and create different line, left click, left click, left click, left click, left click, and left click. If I just press enter and just select my move tool, if I just go left click on this area, I can select everything, drag and move. I can also resize at my convenience, just like this. And let's press enter and finish. So this is the selection that you can do in Pencil 2D. You just need to understand the difference between bitmap layer and vector layer. So if you like this video, don't hesitate to subscribe to my YouTube channels and everything. If you want to learn more in Pencil 2D, you can find a complete course in first link on the description. We can see everything in details, different interesting trainings also at the end of the course. On this, for our next video, see you, ciao ciao.